possibilities are endless. I've got all kinds of goodies in there. Extra clothes, plastic garbage bag in case it starts raining, so I can put everything in the garbage bag. Up here's the case I made. This has got my gloves, a raincoat, and everything else that I could think of. So, of course, I have a steering wheel, so that makes it nice. So I can